Kylie Jenner wears this makeup look all the time and I can see why. So I'm gonna show you how to get this look step by step. You wanna make sure that you're starting out with really hydrated skin. I'm applying a generous amount of this Garnier moisturizing cream. And I'm just rubbing this in with my fingers. I want my skin to be super glowy, so I'm gonna apply some of this MAC Strobe Light Cream right on top. You want your skin to look like this before you put on any foundation. This is one of my favorite skin tints. It's Reveal the Real from Sephora collection. Because this is a skin tint, I'm gonna do gentle little pulls to blend this out. It gives the look of my skin, just better. This is the Too Faced concealer in the color Porcelain. I'm putting this on top of my eyes and underneath my eyes. A little bit down my nose and on my chin, and some on my forehead. And I'm just blending this out with my concealer brush. I usually always go over my concealer with my foundation brush. Now I'm gonna set underneath my eyes and on top of my eyes. Now we have a really nice base and I'm gonna start to add some dimension. This is the color All Batted Up from NYX, and I'm gonna go into my contour up towards the top of my ear. I'm also taking this right up into my forehead, putting just a little bit on my jawline. I'm putting some down each side of my nose and at the end of my nose. I'm also gonna use this as my eyeshadow. So I'm tapping in an eyeshadow brush, putting this into my crease and bringing it all the way down onto the top of my lid. Now we're gonna curl our lashes really well. So I'm pinching at the base and then pumping. Squeeze and then pump. I'm taking the new L'Oreal mascara and I'm gonna brush this right over the top of the tips of my lashes first. Then I'm gonna work from the base going all the way up to the tips. For my blush, I'm gonna use the Pillow Talk wand from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm using a brush to go all the way up to my temple. First, we're gonna line our lips with the color Sassy from NYX. I'm gonna powder my entire face with the Huda Beauty powder in the color Pound Cake, pressing this right into my T-zone. To create Kylie's lip, I'm gonna use two of the Teddy Tints from Maybelline, the color 15 and 45. First, I'm gonna take 45 and kind of go exactly where that lip liner is. Now I'm gonna take the color 45 and put it right into the center. To add that nice shine, I'm gonna use the color Moon right on top. So this is the finished look.